Dito, nandito po kami sa Senate ngayon. Kakaroon na ng putukan.
I'm willing to face anyone who is going to serve the warrant or do whatever. I told you you're welcome to serve. But do not do this. So please come down. Please let us know what is happening here. I will repeat all.
Nandito kami, nagtatago kami. Dahil nagkakaroon na ng putukan. Sandali lang. Nandiyan si Senate President Alan Cayetano. Nandito yung mga ibang senador. Hindi namin alam kung bakit nagkakaroon ng putukan. Nagkakaroon na kami ng caucus dito. At nakarinig kami ng mga malalakas na putok. Putok ng baril. Okay. Na-receive na namin yung articles of impeachment kanina lang. Kaya nagko-caucus kami dahil we're supposed to convene as an impeachment court by next week. Tapos bigla nagkaroon ng putukan. Nandito na si Senator Robin. Senator Bongo, Senator Mark, Senator Camille. Ayan na, pinatay yung ilaw muna namin para hindi kami makita. Lahat dito pensyonado. Hindi namin alam kung bakit ganito pangyayari dito. Parang hindi na ginagalang yung Senado bilang institusyon.
Sana pala ni-record yung conversation with Melvin.
Kayong dalawa kasi kayong mag-usap. Okay, so si Senator Loren at si Senator Puyaga finally got in touch with the NBI director. So they're here, they're here in the room. We have to turn off the lights dahil may putukan na nangyayari. Si Senator Pia and si Senator Loren called the NBI director. He said wala daw sila dito dahil pinaalis daw nila dito. So he said, please find out what's happening kasi nagpuputukan. Sabi niya walang magagawa kasi pinaalis. And then he started saying, huwag kami magtaas ng boses. What will you do, Director, kung may putukan na at lahat ng staff mo at yung mga usaan mo naka-best na lahat and hindi malaman mangyayari? What would you do? Hindi ba dapat ang sagot mo, ma'am, sir, I'll go there, I'll make sure you'll help?
That's what I was expecting him to say. When Senator Loren was talking to him very calmly, I said, what are you gonna do about this? Pinuputukan kami dito. Sabi niya, hindi kami makalapit, pinalis nyo kami dyan. Sabi ko, then do your job, make us safe, this is not good. Ma'am, huwag mo ako sigawan. Yun lang ang masasabi mo sa akin. Pinuputukan kami, sasabihin mo sa akin, huwag kitang sigawan. Sumisigaw ako dahil mataas ang emotions.
So, I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari. So, yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. So, the emotions are high here because bakit kami paalisin and we're waiting for the articles of impeachment and we're having a meeting. Nasabi niya dadating na. So, again, no? Kung sino nakikinig from the government, this is the Senate of the Philippines. We are allegedly under attack. The Sergeant of Arms has confirmed na may putukan na dito. So please, kung sinong nanonood, sinong nakikinig, we expect yung tawagan namin would understand the emotions here and will say we'll do something about it. No? So the rest, yung mga nasa Senate, turn off the lights, stay low. Kung may active shooters, follow the protocols. Yeah. That's my second one.
Yan ang statement ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Pinatay lang yung mga ilaw namin para kausap ni Senator Alan si Secretary John Vic.
Kausap tayo. No, but what happened? Biglang nagkaputukan na dito. So we don't know what's happening. So please, please send people or yung police sa labas, they're coordinating but we don't know also what's happening. Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir John Vic, para lang alam mo, tinawagan ko si Melvin kasi kaibigan ko yan. Tapos sinabi ko, Melvin, may natututukan dito, allegedly, NBI. Kausap ko si Sir John Vic, hindi naman daw mga polis. Eh, syempre, hindi naman yung OSA. Eh, hindi naman Marines. Eh, sino? Tapos, sabi niya, hindi kami. Sabi niya, hindi kami. Pero, John Vic, sabi lang, OSA namin sa labas. Eh, sino?
Where's Bato?
Ang lakas ng boses namin kasi napuputukan. Kami ni Pia dito. Nakasiksik kami sa isang maliit na kwarto kasi kung sa lamang to. Sigaw siya na sigaw. Di ba? Nakasigaw siya na sigaw. Yung director yung to stand up for us. Yeah. Yes. All of us here. All of us. It's not just me. All the senators are here.
Halos lahat ng mga senador nandito ngayon. Nagulat sa mga pangyayari.
Oh, ano sabi? Ano sabi ko sa iyo? Okay, kung sasabi nila, just trust you here and be with us. Okay. Thank you, Sir Cholo. Thank you. Why are you honest with that? Is this an operation?
Guys, it doesn't have to be all of us, but I'm not leaving it out.
Me neither.
Tulungan ako kay John Vic na. I think John Vic is here.
Yeah, this is
So if
we
he's here to
also.
secure us, I'm not leaving it out. And I'm not sure leaving it out.
Yes, we also. We also. And only John Vic, wala siya mga pulis. But sabi niya na, how can it be us when the NCRPO are there to protect
I
you?
agree.
I believe John Vic. So is the military. No.
And so we
Yan.
confirmed with Alan and Alan
Dito, nandito si Senator Amy at sobrang
Tumatawag ako sa maraming mga opisyal ng DND, ng PNP. Dinidedma kami eh. Andito kami para kaming mga nagtatago ditong hostage at hindi kami makalabas habang nagpuputuhan. At amoy usok na rin eh. Kaya ewan, Jinggoy, ano ba itong nangyayari?
Hindi ko alam.
Eto ba yung copycat martial law? Eto na ba ito?
and if I find out, I will tell you.
Para kami mga daga dito, gumagapang sa dilim, hindi man lang matindi yung ilaw.
Do we know? Alam namin NBI. And Lauren called,
Hello? Wala na akong tao dyan eh. Wala
Well, naghihintay pa rin kami. Yan, kung anong mangyayari.
say what's going on. Then he was so arrogant. He was
Kung
like,
paano masisecure lahat yung mga tao nasa loob ng building ng Senado.
you have to do something. You have to
So,
keep us safe.
alam ni
Robin
Robin yan na
And
pwede
then sinigawan niya pa ako. Sabi niya,
ay,
oh, sinigawan. Sabi niya, kaya pinakaputukan.
Tapos sabi na lang niya,
Emotions are very, very high here.
I'm sweating in the room. Senate President para makakoordinate kami. Sabihin mo lang niya na ako siya sigawan. That's all he could say.
Okay. Sasalita si Senate President.
For them, please allow them in. Dadating po si Sec. Remulla ng DILG with one of the PNP. It is not them attacking us. Allow them in. Secure daw ang building at tayo. But I just want everyone to know, ito pong grupo na nandito, we're not going to leave each other. We're not going to leave Senator Bato. May agreement na. We're still looking at the Supreme Court decision, but his legal remedies have not been exhausted. Sabi ng Supreme Court, binibigyan ng 3 days to comment. So we are relying on the law, relying on the Constitution, we are relying on the word of the NBI na hindi papasukin ang Senate na walang coordination. But again, nagkaputukan na po dito. We cannot let this pass. So, Osaa, I'm trying to call you. Papasukin niyo po si Secretary Remulla. He's here to help.
Okay, yan ang tinig ni SP Alan. Okay.
After we called Melvin, tumigil lang.
For now. Hello, Maddie. Maddie. No, we're not okay. There's putukan in the room next door to us, and we're all hold in the SP's room, and we have to turn the lights off and crawl around with rats because there's putukan and it's not smoke. Nobody's coming to our aid, and DILG and DND.
Marami ng...
I called Tatay, but it's the other end of the universe. So he's retired.
Oh, dilim na.
Oh, I don't know.
So, dumilim.
He doesn't know though. He doesn't know. But he has 1,000.
Pwede na ba tayo
Well,
lumabas?
it's supposed to be General Labirin, but I don't know
Pwede
what the
lumabas
hell
dyan?
it is. And we're not letting anyone go in because we don't know who's ours and who's not ours. Yeah, call for help and say that the senators are under siege. Malacanang maybe? Or maybe this is their ploy to declare martial law. I have no idea. Or they just really want to get battle.
And tinig ni Senator Amy Marcos. Kausap,
Yeah.
hindi ko alam kung sino yung kausap.
Yeah, they're totally compromised. Why don't you call the power? You call, I don't know, Uncle Bong? You tell them that this is not a good idea. It came from the Senate. Yeah, it's crossed my mind too, but it might be his order, so fuck it. I don't know. What do you think?
Oh, wala na po ang
Yeah,
baterya
try
itong
it for
sipi
the
ko.
heck of it. You say all the senators are waiting here, and is this really what you want? Not really. No,
Ay,
not
nako.
really. We have very few, our security in the Senate are very few, and they don't have any long
Huh?
Dadaan po kayo, sir? And the right.
Ito, sir.
Hard to call it.
Naka-live pa ako eh.
Nakalive. Yes,
Oo.
yan, sir. Ilawin ka.
So, dun sa naghahanap kay Senator Marcoleta, nandito Senator Marcoleta. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Wait. Wait po, tato. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Dalawa lang.
Dalawang taon siguro. Of course. Pero walang tactical. Ako susunod ko sa akin. Pag dumating ako sa akin.
Malamang lista pa rin yung mga security.
Ako sa si Chief ko. Ako sa si Chief.
Solsen. Solsen.
Sabi ko, sinusugod kami NBI dito. Kaputukan yung NBI pa lang sinugod. Sila nandun sa
Oh, parating daw, 10 minutes. Bigyan nyo ng space. Pero clear na daw, clear na. So, that's everyone.
Yeah.
Clear na.
sa CCTV na.
Pwede na lumabas?
I-secured lang daw yung CCTV room.
General, I just want to know, sino na to? Nasa loob sila ng building.
Nasa lens po kasi, nasa malapit na sa ano natin eh. Sa exit natin.
Nakuha ng CCTV. May nakuha.
Baka may makuha po tayo ng mga recovery.
Itago niyo yung CCTV.
Wala namang magbaray, magkatutukan mo kung hindi sila dumating.
Exactly. Sino na sila? Saan?
Kami po, kaya na,
At saka Marines.
usama Marines po.
Ang
Saka
NCR,
PNP.
ang PNP na sa loob na sa labas.
Pinapasok po kami kasi based on the reports at saka nakita namin sa CCTV, papasok na po sila sa mga ano
Sino
natin.
sila?
Mga NBI po.
NBI agents.
We have confirmed na yan, nakita ko namin NBI best.
NBI.
At saka sinabi na,
Anong
sino kayo? NBI.
Yung main
Tapos sabay
entrance.
puputok.
Yung main entrance.
Dito po sa, hindi naman sila sa main, dito sa lens ko natin. Tapos puputok, so siyempre puputok din kami.
Sa area o ano?
Hindi ko alam po kung saan sila.
Ang atin, o sa police at marines.
Sa po, tama po.
At nagpapaputok sila sa area o sa tao?
Hindi ko po masiguro ma'am, but to make sure that kami.
Yeah, of course.
Baril yun.
Ako po, nagpaputok din ako kasi ako yung nasa unahan to check sana.
Okay. Grabe itong gina. Ayon sa aming chief ng Sergeant at Arms, ang NBI daw nung Senado, ang NBI daw ang unang mga elemento ng NBI ang unang nagpaputok dito sa gusali ng Senado.
They fired upon us. The Senate, the NBI fired the Sergeant at Arms already reported na may mga NBI leaders na gusto pumasok. They were the ones who fired shots kanina. So, yung Posaan, yung Senate security, nag-fire back sila. So, yung nangyari, na-report sa amin at this time.
So, ayon sa Sergeant at Arms namin, medyo clear na yung sitwasyon dito sa Senado. Wow. Ano, we have to condemn this dastardly act by the elements of these government agencies concerned. This calls for an investigation, a full-blown investigation. Dahil unang-una, masyado na nilang binastos ang institusyon ng Senado. Pangalawa, wala namang nagpaputok sa hanay ng Sergeant at Arms ng Senado. Ang nag-umpisa, ayon din sa aming Sergeant at Arms, ang mga elemento daw ng NBI ang una nagpaputok.
Continue please.
Yes. And maybe, I'll have an open mind, especially David Bato and Ablasa and how we will handle this and we let the PNP money speak. I doubt they can mastermind something else. But anyway, keep an open mind. I agree, because I'm open mind, di ba? Open mind para we don't make the wrong mistake. Yes, okay, thank you. He was in front of 8 of us, and he said photo let him in now he's texting Lauren to say he was service. There were 8 of you, he said 3 times. Yes, just please everyone say po na po. Okay. Sama naman yun. Kung totoo may alam sila.
May alam pala sila, they didn't tell us.
Legit,
He said, he told Atty. Mavi to also leave. Yeah, but and they didn't even tell us. Like, grabe naman sila.
I just want you to know
Okay. Siguro mag-update lang ako sa inyo mamaya kung meron pa rin mangyayari. Pero kami nandito pa rin kami sa Senado. Okay. Pagdasal nyo na lang kami rito.
I might forget it. Kung ano, but
Stop to stop na parating sa amin. Stop to stop.
even sumabit asawa ni George, even sumabit, she was prominent George, she was being told to leave.
Kaya pala, ewan ko din. Para tayo mga